Article 1, Section 9, Clause 3 of the United States Constitution forbids Congress from enacting a bill of attainder, a legislative act that inflicts punishment on specific individuals without a judicial trial. But what if Congress enacts a law that effectively terminates specific federal employees because of their allegedly subversive political beliefs or associations without a judicial trial? In United States v. Lovett, the United States Supreme Court addressed whether such a law constitutes a bill of attainder. By 1943, in the middle of World War II, William Dodd, Robert Lovett, and Goodwin Watson each had been working as federal government employees for several years. Their federal agencies were satisfied with their work and intended to maintain their employment. However, in the House of Representatives, Congressman Martin Dies, chairman of the Committee on Un-American Activities, accused the three, along with 36 other federal employees, of being affiliated with the Communist Party and having subversive political views. Dies contended that such affiliations violated federal criminal law. His committee conducted a hearing and issued a report finding that Dodd, Lovett, and Watson were guilty of having engaged in criminal subversive activity that rendered them unfit for federal employment. Because Congress lacked authority to discharge them from federal service, Dies introduced an amendment to a wartime appropriations bill providing that no part of any appropriation could be used to pay the salaries of Dodd, Lovett, and Watson unless the President specially reappointed them as federal employees. The House of Representatives, and later the Senate, ultimately enacted the appropriations bill with the amendment. President Roosevelt signed the bill into law, but stated that he felt forced to sign it because of the need to fund the war effort. Roosevelt further stated that he believed the amendment was unconstitutional. Despite the enactment of the bill into law, and Roosevelt's failure to reappoint Dodd, Lovett, and Watson, the men's federal agencies kept all three in their jobs, although their compensation ceased. The three men then sued the United States in the Federal Court of Claims, seeking compensation for their work after the law's enactment. They contended, among other grounds, that the amendment to the Appropriations Bill was an unconstitutional bill of attainder. The Court of Claims ruled in favor of the three and ordered them to be paid. The United States successfully petitioned the United States Supreme Court for cert.